Kalyani Hospital is the first superspecialty hospital of Gurgaon. Since the commencement of operations in the year 1997, Kalyani Hospital has transformed the healthcare of Gurgaon. Today, the healthcare of Gurgaon is world class, and Kalyani Hospital features amongst the best hospitals of the city. Highly experienced doctors, backed by state-of-art technology, trained staff, and excellent patient care services makes Kalyani Hospital the most preferred healthcare institution for patients coming from all parts of the world. The 105-bedded Kalyani Hospital is preferred by international patients because of great surgical outcomes and affordable cost of treatment. Modular operating rooms, backed by fully equipped intensive care units, makes Kalyani Hospital the ideal choice for all high-end treatment. Led by renowned laparoscopic and general surgeons, Dr. Subhash Khanna and Dr. Sushil Khurana, and having Dr. Rashmi Khurana and Mr. Rakesh Agarwal as the other co-promoters, Kalyani Hospital has made a name for itself. Hello and good morning. I am with the renowned laparoscopic surgeon and managing director of Kalyani Hospital, Dr. Subhash Khanna. Dr. Khanna, who's done several thousand surgeries in a career spanning more than 35 years. He's with me. He's just about to enter the operating room. There is an American patient from the state of California who's come here to the Kalyani Hospital. Dr. Khanna, who has the unique distinction of being a laparoscopic surgeon and an orthopedic surgeon, and has been instrumental in establishing Kalyani Hospital as the premier center for not only laparoscopic surgery but all kinds of trauma patients who got multiple injuries. So let's begin by asking Dr. Khanna, sir, it's a great pleasure to have you with us. You have done so many surgeries. You're now a phenomenon in the field of laparoscopic and general surgeries. You are just going to operate on this American patient who's come from the state of California. Could you tell us the significant advantages of Kalyani Hospital, because you also head the medical operations at the hospital?
Basically, see, our aim is to give the personalized care on a reasonable cost.
Okay, so definitely, because the patient, when he heard the rates of Kalyani Hospital, he was flabbergasted. When he came here at 7 o'clock this morning, he found the services absolutely immaculate. The room is excellent. He's taken in the operating room just a few minutes back, and you're just about to go over there. So tell us, how do you manage it? Is there a lot of training behind this or discipline?
We do the regular trainings, even from the ward boys to the top of the management people, or the official peoples, and the administration, and the reception people. Everything is being managed, and every month we have got the regular meetings, and we discuss the things. We get output from them first, then try to resolve and do the things as much as possible.
So you have had a long career with the government also. 15 years back you moved into the private sector. You were known as a tough administrator. So does your staff love that strict discipline? Because I know a patient outcome is definitely helped by this kind of discipline.
That way I can only say one line: whosoever has left Kalyani, he has come back.
That's a wonderful thing. Dr. Khanna is known as a very tough administrator, but then he's also known as a great surgeon. The outcomes have been excellent, and it's a pleasure talking to you, sir. I won't stop you from going into the operating room. It's a great pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
How do you find the services given by them?
Absolutely wonderful. There's no other way I could have did that by myself or probably with any other company.
Did you find everything the same as you found it in the pictures?
More than better. Yeah, absolutely. It's very good. It's away from all the congestion up by the hospitals. I'm very happy with it.
The staff here doesn't speak very good English, but are you able to communicate with them?
Somewhat, yeah. The doctors speak fluid English, so no problem with the doctors. And a lot of the nurses, you know, the janitors and the waiters, they speak a little English, but a little bit off, but you know, I understand eventually.
So far has been good in India and
More than good.
more than
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And-
Absolutely.
So would you
Great
be
experience.
recommending India as a destination for treatment to more people back in America?
Absolutely. It's not only cheaper, the healthcare's better, the doctors, I think, are better. You know, the service just, you can't lose. You know, it's a long way to come. It's about 23 hours from the States, but it's worth the extra 12, 13 hours.
So
Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm celebrating. That's why. Yeah.
okay, so Mark has had a very good trip to India so far, and we wish him a very speedy recovery and hope that his remaining stay in India is going to be good. Now that the medical part is over, comes the part for celebration and recreation.
That's right.
Thank you, Mark.